Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jenny and I'm so glad you could join me today for this cleaning closet makeover. As you can see, one of my little rows of hooks fell down and it has caused a lot of chaos in this small closet. And this is where I keep all of my cleaning supplies, but a lot of it is just kind of thrown on the floor now and it really could just use a good clean out. And so I thought it would be the perfect project for this fall day. I started by just removing everything from the closet so that I could see everything better and get in there and clean really good and remove those broken hooks. Let me know in the comments, do you guys have like a dedicated cleaning closet, or do you keep your cleaning supplies in the kitchen or the garage or some other place? How do you guys store all of your cleaning supplies and products? And here I'm just using a Phillips screwdriver to remove the old shelves.
Put you first.
And here's a quick look at the new hooks that I bought, and I'm using my cordless drill to bore holes in the wall so that I can get the anchors in. And here I'm just tapping the anchors in with a hammer. And then I'm using that same Phillips screwdriver to screw in the new hooks. And I didn't want to use my drill because I figured that might be a little too powerful and might strip the screws. So I'm going to do this manually. And I did place the hooks over the holes from the old hooks so that most of them are covered, but there was a few that were still showing, and I went ahead and used some lightweight spackle to fill those holes. And I finished with a good sweep of the closet floor, and I also took a baby wipe and cleaned the floor off really well. I have a 1-year-old son, so I am always grabbing baby wipes for quick cleaning. It's just so easy to grab one from his room really quick and just go over something. And I use these way more often than I would like to admit. And once I had the floor clean, I looked up and saw that there was some marks on the walls. So I'm using a magic eraser to just get rid of any of the scuffs or marks that I see on the walls. And now to the fun part, reloading the closet. So I just kind of started putting all my supplies back in the closet and kind of rearranging them until I thought that they looked nice and were stored correctly. And this is how the first part looked. So this is the hooks and everything that I have hanging for them. And now I'm going to move on to the bins at the top. I have these little slider bins with the handles that you guys, if you've seen my pantry organization video, you've seen these bins before. And I think they're about $1.99 from Walmart. But to be honest, I got mine years ago, so I think they still have them. I'm pretty sure I checked recently. But they are from Walmart and they were about $2 a piece. And I grabbed a bunch of them several years ago, and they are the exact like depth of my shelves that are all over my house. And so it's just like a really good way for me to organize things, no matter if it's the medicine closet, the pantry, or in my laundry room, or in my cleaning closet. And so I did buy a nice stack of them, and I have loved using them ever since. So I figured I'd pull a few of those out, clean them off really good, and use them to store some of my cleaning supplies. Here is a box of rubber gloves that I'm going to transfer into one of the bins so that I can just grab a couple really quick for when I'm cleaning bathrooms. And then in the next bin, I just started gathering like some random supplies. I found like a funnel, and I found some cleaning toothbrushes and things like that. So I went ahead and filled that one up as well. And in this next bin, these are the little like refills that go on the end of the toilet wand when you're cleaning the toilet. So the ones that just kind of pop on the end of the wand, and so I filled one of the bins with those. And you can see I'm putting up a white bin and a gray bin. This is where I keep my microfiber cloths that I use for cleaning, and the clean ones are in the white one and the dirty ones are in the gray. So I just kind of know when the gray one fills up, I go ahead and wash them, and that's just how I keep them separate. And all of my cleaning products are in this bucket, and I just placed that on the floor. And this is how it turned out. So I'm really happy with it. I have a roll of paper towels. I have all of my little cleaning supplies and gadgets and microfiber cloths, and my iron is up there. And then down here I have my ironing board, and then I also have my mop bucket. Yes, I did finally get the O-Cedar Spin mop. I know I'd been saying I wanted that, and I finally did go ahead and get it, so I can't wait to use it. And there's my Light and Easy steam mop and my Shark vacuum. And then here in the middle, you guys saw I hung everything up. And then I also have the toilet wand hanging at the top. That was kind of like a little afterthought, but it fits nicely there. And yeah, I really like the way it came out. It looks way more organized. It's very, very simple and clean, which is usually kind of how I prefer things. And all of my cleaning supplies are right there at the bottom for me to grab. I usually just grab the whole bucket and bring it in the room anyway. And so that way I have all my supplies ready for me. Thanks so much for spending a little time with me today. And if you're not subscribed, I would invite you to do so. We'd love for you to be a part of our family. And thank you for watching, and I hope you guys have a great day. I'll see you on the next one.
I'm okay if I got you. We don't have to stay. We can do what we want to. Baby, I just found the answers. Baby,